Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What is the components of J this is called menu bar, this is called your content pane. Okay, this one is called content pane, this is called menu bar, this is called content pane, and this is called layer pane. Then what will happen? Over that there is also another that is called glass pane. Okay, this is called glass pane. Then now I'll tell you how to add one button here and how to add one menu bar here. This total structure is called what? Na root pane. This is the components of root pane is what? Now first is this is called your menu bar. This is called get content pane. This is called layer. Layer is used to add what different buttons or different components based upon position layer, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and this is called content pane, and this is called menu bar, and this is called layer, and on over this layer you can find another cover is there, that is called glass pane. Now I'll be add the one button to the how to add the content pane into the content pane and how to add the button in the menu bar. Okay, now I'll tell you. You just watch the program.